Welcome, everybody. So let's just sit quietly for a few moments. Just gently close the eyes, maybe lock the hands in Vijnana Mudra, index finger and thumb, just rest them on your thighs. Just let the body relax, the shoulders, the belly, the hips. And just start to bring all your attention to your breath. Just gentle inhales, gentle exhales through your nostrils, natural breath. Nothing to be worried about, just natural breath, inhaling. And a comfortable exhale through your nose. Just start to connect with the breath. If we connect with the breath, everything can slow down. We can become more present. Become the breath now for a few moments. Gentle inhales, gentle exhales. Nothing else exists but that beautiful breath. The breath connects with everything in creation, so just come back to your breath. If the mind wanders, don't fight it, just slowly, gently bring it back to the breath. Now watch the eyes gently open. Today we're going to do the sound breathing. So a little bit like our dog friend in the background here. So everything is vibration, sound. Okay, so it joins us all together. So the sound breathing is really powerful. And the first sound we're going to do is the sound ah. So the mouth is nice and wide. So you don't want to go You don't want that vibration like ah. And all your attention is going to be below the navel. And this vibration helps all those internal organs there. The vibration is amazing. It connects everything. When your vibration is a little bit off, you may notice, you may have strange thoughts, you may not feel your best. That's why we do these different sound breathings to try and bring the vibration back, and it actually strengthens your aura. And when your aura is strong, then you can deal with lots of things that go on in the world. It helps you in your life. So really important. It's like doing a psychic shower, doing these sound breathings. In the morning, we clean the physical body. When you do this sound breathing, these different sounds help cleanse the body and the different vibrations throughout the body. So the R is below your navel. The chest region for your lungs and your heart is the sound U. So it's a little bit higher vibration, right? The higher tone. So you feel that vibration around your lungs and your heart region. When you get to your throat area, the sound is SOOO. A little bit deeper, you can feel that vibration around your throat region. And then we move up to the nasal passages, the eye sockets and the ears. And the sound is E. Big, broad smile. This one's lovely. Everybody loves this one because it makes you feel nice because you're smiling. So E. And then we go to the brain region where it's sun, like sun in the sky. And your tongue rests naturally on the roof of the mouth. You have loads of psychic channels there in the roof of the mouth. And the vibration goes through the brain region. And then the last one is sum. It's like the end of the om. The lips are together. And this vibrates the crown of your head. It's really good for mental sharpness so you can perceive subtler things. And the beautiful thing about this sound breathing is when they're done all together, it makes up the whole sound of om, which is this eternal vibration of the whole of creation. And it brings us together. It helps us reconnect with our true essence, that pure bliss that's within all of us. So let's give it a try. Let's try the sound breathing. So the first one we're going to do is ah. So all the attention below your navel. Don't be shy, okay? You want to make that sound. So loud and long. And feel the vibration below your navel. Okay, so let's give it a try. So take a deep inhale. Now let's go to the chest region. The sound is U. So your lungs, your heart. Imagine the best taking place. Remember, part of this whole practice is you go as far as you imagine. So imagine you're pulling all the best from the whole of creation right there, your lungs and your heart. All the healing properties are taking place as we do the sound U. Okay, so let's give it a try. Take a deep inhale. Now let's go to the throat region. This is really good for your thyroid. So the sound is SOOO. You can feel the vibration there. Again, imagine all those healing properties taking place. You're removing anything that doesn't serve you, rebalancing the thyroid area. So SOOO. So let's give that one a try. Loud and long. Deep inhale. Now next, nasal passages, the eye sockets, your ears. So remember the sound is E, so you have a big broad smile. This is often a lot of folks' favorite one, okay? So E, really good if you have a cold or some infection in your nasal passage. It helps kind of purify and clear that area. So E, let's give that one a try. Deep inhale. Now we're moving to the brain region. So remember the sound is sun, like sun in the sky. And your tongue can rest on the roof of your mouth. But remember, where you bring your attention, that's where the healing prana goes. So you want to bring all your attention to the sound and the vibrations, sun taking place in your brain region. So let's give that one a try. So deep inhale. Sun. Now we're going to bring our awareness to the crown of our head, the sum, like the end of the Om, the lips are together. Again, this one's for mental sharpness. So it's really powerful. So imagine that vibration right down the crown of your head. Okay, so imagination is everything. So sum, lips together. Let's do it together. Let's vibrate our crowns of our head. Deep inhale. Rest your knees, breathe normally. So the sound breathing, the beautiful thing is everybody's lungs are different. So maybe your ah is very short, but just do your best. And what will happen is if you keep doing these, your lungs will expand and you'll start to notice that you can do them longer. And also some of the ones that you find a little bit harder, maybe those are the ones we need to work on a little bit more. So it's kind of fun to test yourself. The other beautiful thing about this practice is that, let's say you have some complaint with your tummy, so the internal organs there, your digestion. You can do ah. You may do that 3 times, you can do it 5 times, you can do it 7 times, if you can 9 times, and you'll notice that then it will have a really powerful effect. You could just do the SOOO here for your thyroid if you're having some thyroid issues, or if you're having blocked nasal passages, the E, people love that one. So these breathings are really powerful, and these sound vibrations are really powerful to help reset your body and make us feel nice from within. So thank you for your time. I enjoyed practicing with you. Be receptive, be compassionate to all beings.